Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the head shower, the knob and the faucet. And now I'm going to open in the back and the closet. I'm going to open two holes. It's about like 1 square foot each, just to have an access for the head shower and the water line, and then I'm going to install a stopper as well too. So this is the thick connection for the water line. This is for the knob, and this for the shower head and the hot and cold line. It's a cold line, and that's for the shower faucet. Now I'm going to roll with the Teflon tape.
Good?
Look, cut open already?
Yeah. Okay, check how's the old plumbing that he does. It's not even
Oh, like that only. Okay.
yeah, so it's not strong enough. So what happened in the bottom part, like the faucet, the one that they're leaking,
Yeah.
what happened is not stable, right?
Mm-hmm.
So every time when you take shower, sometimes you hit that faucet, right?
Yeah.
Like, and then they move. That's why they leak from here.
Oh.
So the system is it's not like this to use. So that's the old plumbing for 30 years ago.
And also the hot water is not stable. Sometimes it gets cold and
Yeah. So that's why
okay. That's good.
that's why I need to replace the whole system, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Fair enough. Makes sense, right?
Right.
And now I'm going to connect the adapter for the both 4 lines.
It's good.
The cleaning fish. Already put salt and pepper.
Mhm.
Rice is cooking. Ready to go, man.
See how tight is this?
So you do these things back home too?
Mm-hmm. But the plumbing back home is different, right?
Oh yeah, of course.
It's all kind of the blue pipe
Oh yeah, PVC.
PVC.
So
But
my
here-
water line is what? Copper?
Huh?
Is my water line here copper?
It's your water line is in that system is copper,
Mm-hmm.
and then coming from the main line is fix. Is
Like
they do
fix.
combination.
What, PVC or what?
No, fix. You know, like the white one there. That's fix.
It's called what?
Fix.
Fix?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Little bit. So much things to do, eh?
Yeah. So much things to do, I don't know where to start. Anyway, you see, I'm gonna start by removing the
Huh?
the power outlet cover.
Yeah.
I think I better remove that one first. But they already painted over it.
Which one, that?
The power point, the power plug. See like that?
Which one?
The power outlet. See, they paint over it, right?
Oh. Just change it. It's only $1.
Like the cover?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's only $1.
So I guess I'm not going to cover it. Well, I'll just remove it and then paint it, right?
Utilities. So that's perfect. Okay. Yeah. Is it fine?
So it's all done, guys, and these holes, I'm just gonna leave it open, or I'm gonna put the access door on it. Then now I'm gonna try this water. This runs good. It looks pretty good, and the water, it runs. There's no leak. So yeah. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.